have to learn to trust everybody. Ano ba yung E? We have to empower. Meaning, bigyan natin yung lahat ng pagkakataon na mag-express ng opinion nyo. Hindi ito trabaho ng lahat ng mga managers, trabaho ng team. So everybody, we have show evidence na lahat pala mga tao sa kanlubang ay willing na mag-contribute. Di ba? In the VNA, hindi ma-solve yung problem sa makina kung hindi magbigay ng contribution din yung operators. In the redressing, hindi rin ma-solve ang problema kung hindi mag-share ng inputs ang mga redressing crew. So everybody has the right, are free to express their contributions. Okay. Ano ba yung A? We have to assimilate. Ibig sabihin, ikakalat natin yung magandang practices natin. So, magkaroon tayo ng team orientation. Ano ba yung team orientation? Isang example lang. Team orientation, matuto kang makinig sa mga sinasabi ng kasama natin. Di ba? Matuto kang makinig. Huwag niyong ibaliwala yung mga sinasabi na feedback. Ano yung aim? We have to manage our goals. We have to manage the attainment of our goals. So, sino ba sa inyo dito na hindi nyo alam kung anong goal nyo sa bawat area? Mayroon ba isa dito na nandito lang araw-araw but you don't know what you want to accomplish on a day-to-day basis? Sabihin, nandito tayo, we are here to accomplish something. Okay? If you are not sure what to accomplish every day, you meet your supervisors and managers and discuss yung concerns. Ano yung S? We are here to serve. We have to serve our customers, our principals, and beyond serving, we deliver solutions. Pag sinasabi ng principal na kailangan ko yung target ko ma-achieve for the month, kailangan i-pick natin lahat. Di ba? Kailangan makarating sa customer yung delivery ng Tamiflu, kailangan gagawin natin para ma-deliver. Tama? So we are the solution and we are not the problem. Sino magsabi dito na we are part of the problem? Any group. Itaas ang kamay na you believe until now na magiging part kayo ng problem. Itaas ang kamay. Maxwell, part ba kayo ng problem? Hindi? Part ba kayo ng problem? Hindi. Sino yung nakangiti dito? Sa P4P, part ba kayo ng problem or part ng solution? Mahina. Anybody dito na part ng solution, isigaw natin, we are part of the solution.
We are part of the solution.
Okay, very good. Although medyo mahina, pero next time siguro pabilisin natin, palakasin natin. We are part of the solution. So, every day, we solve problems for our customers, our principals, para ma-achieve natin yung business objective. With the current crisis, we cannot do anything else less than achieving what we want to achieve every day. Okay? Thank you very much.